Hi guys, it's Nick from Ambrosia, and today I want to show you how to create a new dynamic field, but then a link, for example to a website. Right now I'm in a campaign, and under personalize on the left I can click on dynamic fields. Here we see the dynamic fields we have already created. Today we're gonna create a new type of dynamic fields, and to add a dynamic field we click here on the right top corner button. So for this example I want to do a website link. For example, if we run an ad on Meta, then we want the link with it, and then it links to the page or website of the participant. If we use it in the onboarder, the participant will get this field in the onboarding process and can fill it in right there. The question we ask in the onboarder is, what is your website link? The field type we select not text this time, but link. We can select if it's required or not, if they need to fill it in. And we can select a fallback value. So right now we have the website link dynamic field. We can click on create and we see it right here. So the type will now be link. How to use this dynamic field I will show you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.